Hello and welcome to the market update from 18 June to 21st June 2024. Let's start with the world economy. In UK, the consumer price index rose to 2% in the month of May, which was down for 2.3% from the month of April. The 2% is the target which the Bank of England wanted to achieve. But the Bank of England kept the interest rate at 16 years high of 5.25%. The MPC committee voiced their worries that the certain areas like services sector remain elevated, and if they reduce the interest rates right now, these sectors might be in an elevated zone. Saudi Arabia dethrones the China as the top emerging market borrower, with the bond sales reaching $33.2 billion. Saudi has been issuing debt to fund its vision of 2030, as they want to diversify from oil and want to invest into their infrastructure projects. In Japan, the Japan factory output expanded for the second straight month. It reached 50.1, which was in the month of June, which is slightly down from 50.4 in the month of May. There was an important event that happened, that Russia and the North between the Russia and the North Korea. Vladimir Putin is on their visit to North Korea. This is his first visit after 2000. That is nearly 24 years. The key highlights of the meeting were that North Korea praised full support to Russia's war in the Ukraine. They signed a comprehensive partnership agreement, which was signed for mutual assistance in the event of aggression against one of the parties. There was high speculation that this meeting would lead to Russia transferring technologies missile technologies to North Korea, and North Korea is supplying arms to the Russia for its continuing war with the Ukraine. Now we move to the US Treasury bond rate. The US Treasury bond rate since last 1 week has been trading close to 4.2%. If we look at the oil prices rose up in the last 1 week. It rose to $85 a barrel. In the last week, FIS and DIS activity, FIS bought close to 9,100 crores worth of Indian equity. DIS also bought 9,574 worth of Indian equity. The gold was down by 0.28%. And traded at the rate of 71,750 per 10 grams. If we look at the international market, how the international markets are performing, the US market was up was flattish actually, in the range of 0.5 to 1%. The European market was down by 0.5%. The Asian markets were also in the red, except the Taiwanese market that was up by 4%. If we now look at the Indian markets, the Sensex, Nifty have a very minute change, that they were up by 0.1 to 0.2%, whereas the Nifty Bank show a major uptick, where it was up by 3.3%. Nifty Midcap was up by 0.3%. Nifty Smallcap was up by 1%. If we look at now in the context of the PE valuation, if we look at the Nifty 50 trailing PEs, it is currently at 22.3, which is above 2 years average and below 5 years average. Nifty Midcap 150 trailing PE is still at the 42.1, which is the 2 years and the 5 years high. Nifty Small Cap 100 trailing PE is at 29.1, which is nearing a 2-year high and just above the 5 years high. So there's a lot of fraud again that is built into the mid cap and the small cap. Whereas the valuation in the Nifty 50 PE seems to be fairly valued. But if we look at the Buffett indicator, which shows the total market cap to the GDP ratio, the ratio currently is at 102.98, which shows that it is modestly overvalued. The market seems modestly overvalued. Now we move to the Indian bonds. Indian bonds were trading at 6.973 percentage of yield. Where when we look at the yield curves in the short term, medium, and the long term is currently flat as of now. So that was all from my side. Hope you like this video. Do share, subscribe, and to our channel and all the videos, so you can get the weekly updates from us. Thank you.